I think it's not common where nagre-reunion yung buong batch kasama yung winners. Usually, nagkakawatak-watak. But just because, kasi, okay, isa sa inyo pupunta sa Miss International, kunyari. Kunyari ako yon. Kunyari ako yung pumunta sa Miss International. Tas co-candidates ko kayo. Ang tagal nyo nagsama-sama ha. Mamimiss nyo yung isa't isa. It will be a big change. Actually, a sudden drastic change. From seeing each other every day to suddenly not seeing each other anymore. Na nagfo-form kayo ng friendships and then one day, dahil nanalo ka na, nalayo ka na sa kanila. It doesn't have to be like that. Like you can still see each other and get your strength from each other. And wouldn't it be so nice if some of you could fly to support your girl? And that's what happened to me actually. Noong 2014, natalo ko nung year na yon. Pero lumipad ako with some of my friends para i-support yung kaibigan kong nanalo, kaibigan kong lumaban sa Miss International. Pumunta akong Japan, umupo ako sa audience, chineer ko siya. Kahit na magkakalaban kami talaga nung year na yon. Nandun ako. May allergy ako noon, namaga yung mukha ko, pero pumunta pa rin ako. Tapos nung turn ko naman, ako naman ang pinuntahan nila. It feels so good because literally nakita ka nila na nag-uumpisa ka pa lang. Nakita ka nila na nag-screening, nakasabay mo sa screening. With me personally, I will never be able to meet people again who know me as just Pia. Everybody who I meet from 2015, nung December 2015 onwards, know me as Miss Universe Pia. Pero iilan na lang yung mga tao na ang kilala ko na Pia lang. Hindi ko na sila madadagdagan. Because everybody who I meet from now until the future will always just think of me as Miss Universe. But then, the people that I really cherish are the ones who didn't know Miss Universe, who didn't know that side of me, who saw the struggle, who saw the beginnings. And those are the kind of friendship that I really cherish because I know that you're not just beside me because I'm a winner. You're beside me because you were there when I was nobody. And that's the best feeling in the world. So keeping the friendship solid naman, like what I mentioned earlier, magbonding kayo, check up on each other, lalo na ngayon, this is it's not easy joining a pageant, especially nowadays. It really takes a toll on your mental health, whether you admit it or not. A lot of us don't admit it because it's part of the job. We gotta look strong. We gotta look unfazed. Kunyari, hindi tayo nagbabasa ng comments. Kunyari, hindi tayo na-affect. Pero, nangyayari yan. It tests you. There are moments where you come home, sobra na, hindi mo na kaya. Maybe even after the coronation, ma-feel mo rin yan na parang, ba't ko ba ginawa to? Hindi ko kaya. But check up on each other. Kumustahin niyo yung isa't isa. Check up on the ones who don't make it to the finals. The one who don't get called in the top 15, the 10, the 5. Everybody. Also the winner, kasi maraming pagdadaanan yung winners. Marami silang pagdadaanan. So, yeah, that would be my advice. Ako, before I end this session, this part of the session, coming in here, it's been a while since I had a look around Araneta. I used to live here, dyan sa tapat mismo, katabi ng Isetan. I was living there for a few years. So alam na alam ko tong lugar na to, pagbaba ko, memorize ko na tong Araneta. And every corner that I looked, may memory ako. Diyan ako nag-grocery noon. Dito ako bumili ng ganito, ganyan. Pagka cheat meal, diyan ako bumibili. Ayan, so it really brings back so much memories. And before we started here, right now, I was actually getting teary-eyed. I just didn't wanna like full-on cry or anything. And I didn't expect to feel emotional either because I really came from Binibining Pilipinas. Like, this is my roots. Ito yung roots ko. So, it's so nostalgic to see you wearing the Binibining Pilipinas shirts. May ganyan din ako. May mga nauwi akong ganyan. Unintentionally. It's, it brings back so much memories. I'm so happy to see na nung pumasok ako sa dressing room nyo kanina, mukhang masaya kayo, bonded kayo. Wala ko nakitang clusters. Kasi yung parang mga grupo na humihiwalay do sa big group, wala naman ako nakitang gano'n. Nakita ko na parang okay talaga kayo sa isa't isa, which is so nice to see. So nice to see. And it made me, reminisce and also miss my pageant days. I can't believe that next year will be 10 years now since I first stepped on the Binibining Pilipinas stage. It's so crazy. But this will always be home to me. I'm so glad to be able to talk to you girls. I'm so glad that they invited me to speak to you. I feel like I have so much to share. Like, parang bakit pa ba ako magdadamot ng advice? Tapos na ako dyan. But yes, thank you so much. And if I don't get the chance to say this again later, if there's any advice that you guys need, you can send me a message on my DM. And then if I see your message, I'll try my best to reply if you guys need any advice or anything. Because that's what sisters are for. Once a binibini, always a binibini.